Mihang'o iria irahanite ta ithararite waki-ini wa ndemu ino ya Thakwe kumana na mututhuko wa COVID-19 riu ni icokereirie. Guku mawatho mothe maria magathikitwo kwigitira COVID-19 ni manathingatithio guku muigana wa aruti a wira ukinyihanyihio niguo gutikae kugia na mutindikano.
To ensure that all the employees working on site stay around the site. There's no single employee who comes from very far from the site. We stay in the neighboring community, and all the employees are being measured every morning and every evening for temperatures. Anyone that has high temperatures is being isolated and checked further. And again, we issue the necessary face mask every morning, and also we give places for washing hands.
Kuonekana kwa murimu wa COVID-19 kaunti-ini ya Makueni ni gutumite arugamiriri a mwaka uyu guikara me maitho makiria na kwa rita ria gatatu riu aruti a wira ni mathimitwo.
Infection from any single individual puts all the project at risk. This is why we take this exercise seriously, because once somebody is infected in this site, it will mean that all workers, all employees are taken into isolation or quarantine, and this will mean that work stops.
Today we've conducted targeted mass testing for new workers. We were targeting 30 workers and we've met the target.
Niguo kunyihia mieke ya gutukana ona aria makoretwo makirehe indo cia mwako onao no marathurimwo. Mihang'o ya Waki ni ihutitio na njira nene na nginyagia riu wira uria muriku ni ta gicunjia kia 37 hari igana tu. Ndemu ino ya Thakwe ibangirwo kuhuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 63 gicunjia kimwe kia mbeca ici gikiuma kuri bengi ya IDB na itanyitwo gukorwo ikirika gukinya muthia-ini wa mwaka wa 2022. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Waki wa Mwangi.